Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, I wanted to give you some of the trades that we took today in the options room for the cash close. I know there are a lot of traders that are focused on 0-day expiration, and at least right now, being able to pursue that every day, you can only do that in SPX. But it's nice to have those 0-day expiration trades. And I want to show you a few things that helped us get into today's setup. So to begin with, obviously very weak, but you have to think about zones or whatever price levels that you like to use for support and resistance and their relationship to moments in time. Right? So look at how this lunchtime inflection point showed the S&P kind of bounce up into it and then was sold right at that 1230 central mark. Then into the close, the 230 tick, right? This is one of the trades that was in the first edition of Mastering the Trade, and it's looking for that change of pace, or essentially that shorts begin to cover, right? Because you're going to have a lot of people that are just day trading, day traders that are short and, essentially looking for the market to crash, really get them paid on a down move into the close. When that down move does not materialize, it provides the short covering that just gives you that little bit of a, rally up into the end of the day. So as we were looking for that, this is the trade idea that I showed. So once you kind of think about the market and, the basic way of wanting to buy something, I really think the option strategy is where you go, next to make your best decisions and your best fast money when you can. So with something like the 1x3x2, which is an unbalanced butterfly structured as seen here, you give yourself a situation where if SPX were to really get some short covering into the close, this trade would make $2, right? Anywhere above 550, you would just take in the initial credit received. But, when you look at where we closed today, it looks like our settlement price is going to be $44.59. Let's just call it 60 for, a little bit easier math. Well, then you can look at this idea and say, okay, it's opened for a $2 credit. The $40 put is worthless. The 45 put is 40 cents against us, and we have 3 of those. So that's essentially, $1.20 against us. But then you have the 550 put, which settles $5.50 in the money. So the 550 minus the $1.50 leaves us at 4. Then you add that to the credit that you opened the trade for, you've got a little $6 winner for the end of day. So I really like that setup when it shows itself in that way. It's always great to try to take advantage of it. And that is what we'll be looking to do again for the cash close tomorrow. So I hope you find that helpful. Hopefully see you in the room tomorrow afternoon, and we'll go from there. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com. And I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.